Landslide destroys houses in Sirakhong in Ukhrul district. No report of human casualty. "150 hectares of paddy fields submerged under floodwater in Top Khabi and Thangtek. Cleanliness drive launched to keep Khairamban Bazaar neat and clean. And women vendors seize work demanding eviction of street vendors around the three markets. And in one of the latest achievements, Manipur police arrests the president of United Tukki Liberation Army, who carries a bounty of rupees 1 lakh. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I am Janish Kasliwal with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Now, landslides has destroyed 4 houses and a playground in Sirakhong village under Ukhrul district. However, there is no human casualty has been reported yet. The landslide occurred this afternoon right in the middle of the village. It destroyed the newly constructed playground and 4 houses located above the playground were also destroyed. No persons were in the house when the landslide occurred. A team of police and district administration has rushed to the spot and details are still awaited. A large number of paddy fields in Top Khabi and Imphal West District and Khabi and Thangtek in Nambol have been submerged underwater following the incessant rains in the last few days. Most paddy fields in Malom and Imphal West districts have been flooded by the downstream flow of water from northern part of Imphal West. At least 150 hectares of paddy fields have been submerged underwater in Khabi and Thangtek. Some of the fields have been plowed up for cultivation of rice. The situation is grave as the fields have become waterlogged in Top Khabi and Thangtek as the water level of the Maklang River is rising. Locals said they never witnessed such situation in the last 10 years. They said they have been experiencing waterlogging in the last 2 years due to the collapse of the banks of the Maklang River.
Asongi turin torban je asi patta badagi pathaba dei uku thingba yadaba khotaba mayam tawraga sangapuja lo langchak sarakanda mayam sei ani pura sigrabani hakumsu si ado kumsi su panya adra yaroidra khangsi ada hoji turin se hayeng hangchete di kangaga di chenthokpa hawrane bako se amung uku se thingba Shatter guma paladi phaba upang tawbusidi na teichadaba thugaiba khokaiba tawbu.
Now, All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association in a press release has appealed to the government and departments concerned to take necessary steps to help the farmers who have been affected by the flood in different parts of the state. And Eastern Division Club and a team of media persons visited the Khurai Thingjam Laikai, Jenims Road and Minuthong River banks today. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Eastern Division Club Y. Jugendra said the drains have not been cleaned for a long time, making it difficult for the water to flow every time it rains. He said despite many complaints to the previous government, the problem remained ignored. Jugendra appealed to the new government to take up necessary steps to solve the problem and the issue of the shopkeepers who have encroached upon the land near Minuthong traffic signal, causing inconveniences to the people.
Traffic si lere si lese sorong maya si lese umayang passenger na mapupan da betul na jaga se si bawa passenger sorong mata bawa se gari kat cile pun betam marune deba kamal luhung luhung ba terlalu betam tadi lambi thene pun letre sonia muere si so accident kaya amat thok rabane numidagi betam dasu ya saya problem muere doa na masih betam da kaki gari maya amat soroki nakan yelo malum sudah passenger ke lere traffic cepat betam da sini malam muda jam hele ado kenapa mungkin miyeng cangde masih sarkar ki sate miyeng cangani.
Now, with the launch of Cleanliness Drive in Khairamban Bazaar to keep the marketplace in the heart of the capital city neat and clean, people can see a change in its appearance. However, a number of women street vendors is still seen on the roadside as they could not occupy a place in the area above the Nambol River. Imphal Municipal Corporation has evicted the street vendors and seized what they were selling in its measure to keep the marketplace neat and clean, and even confiscated their belongings. Women vendors and shopkeepers have expressed their support and cooperation for the initiative taken by Mahud Minister T.H. Shyamkumar. However, the question remains as to how successful the drive will be and what will be the fate of women street vendors coming from far and remote areas to earn their livelihood. Women vendors at Temporary Market said they carried the wastes home as the IMC did not send the workers to collect the garbage regularly, and appealed for installation of dustbins and regular removal of wastes.
कोई दुकान की साइट के हाई तादी दुकान की मपाचिंग कोई डस्टबिन तंबीरगा दी आंबानी नकनी खाजे
केना सु लाइते होजिक अमतो मैम सु याम लाइते अदुम नुंगाइरे होजिकदी
चंगम लखम सिदा लोइनमा पछन थंबदो मोगी वेजिटेबल जोंबा इमाइ बेदर मैम सिनको हंजिति अदु लेहंद्रे मोना नुंगाइ भाई ता चंगम फरगम फ्री ओहले हंजे लोइनमा
सरकार द कोइ हाइनिंगे से मोइना कोइबु चमाना न हिंगमिना सी हाइबा तारगदी कोइ डस्टबिन लम इनाक अथुबो मतम द पिबिबा कोइना हाइजेलगा थमजबा ए मदि पुथोको मतम दे एकुनजी कुंथाजी नोमै सुक्सी हाइबदु साबिबा लेरगसु कोइ अदुम छाबा ngamnaba कोइ होना जगे
स्टेट बेंदर फंबा सिंचे इसागी पफम लैताबनिना कोइदि नोंमै चरा तानबनिना खरखरगा अदुम फमजागे कोइ तान तानबिगनो अखोइगी ओइबा पफम पिहानिंगे
फंबम लैताबनिना यामना वारेबा मोइ लाए पोचै लोइना पुगरे खोइदि ngasi sai wa thangnangai lakpane फंबम जु फंगदे अदो अनक अनक पदा लैरिबे फान मनुंगदा लैरिबे मी मखैना नोइना फमजिनगरे.
Now, demanding eviction of women street vendors around 3 women's market in Khairamban Bazaar, women vendors of the 3 markets ceased work today. Meanwhile, the street vendors were demanding a marketplace where they can sell their wares. Speaking to media persons, General Secretary of Khairamban Nupi Kaithil Sinfam Amasung Saktam Kanbalup, Tingucham Ongbi Rani said they welcome the steps taken by the Mahud minister to keep the bazaar area neat and clean. She said since the minister announced the makeshift market for street vendors on the Naga River, number of street vendors has increased as the people living nearby have occupied the area. She alleged that this has affected the business among the licensed women vendors. Rani also condemned the statement made by the Mahud minister that politics is involved in the issue of women vendors. She said a government should address the problems of women vendors without partiality.
Mahud minister na masi kaithian sing asi luna na bai pandam da changjale ba khongjang je khoi kaithian sing nam taram no eba akoi ba gi sit ba seng ba to ba se phami be cylinder ma'am je se hongjen ga na kan ba adu sungna na ta bida akoi ba lei ba ma'am se gi perform kan ba loin tholak ba sumaina perform kan ba tholak ba ma'am je na hujikti ising isau na kaithela koi ba je cylinder ma'am je masing thingam da ne henkale ba masi lei ta lai nung si ba ma'am na ju kaithian sa ba khuding gi perform phangong na bai na ma de association sema puthok ba ma'am je government matam chana thinghok da ba gi asi sigum irang je tholak ba ne ba sine maram oiraga nongmai chara tanjaba lai imai ben ma'am sibu su government yamna akhoi one sided doi ba karang makhana injalaga tawba mong dong na uhalle ba singma wafam je press media da mapi mapam oiraga phongtok pa ko phongdo ningde congress na pansunu bjp na pansunu akhoi di palai matam dugi sarkar do akhoi haibam thokpani.
Eviction of women street vendors and cleaning of Khairamban Bazaar areas are in full swing under the initiative of Mahud minister. Although the steps taken by the government is for the proper maintenance of the market area, women street vendors faced inconveniences as they waited for their turn.
कोइना बुखलाई बंगा खराजी योलेरगा इचा इसु लाइक तमहलिबनी कोइ स्टेट बेंदर गी लाइफमगी मफम बिबी गनी साना हाइरे अदुबु अखोइदि नुंदिन गाजरकपनिना कनबजु नंगहौद्रे दुना अखोइ हुजि नुंनांगना दना सा लाकपा गाइरेरगा अखोइ फमम बिबी हाइजेगेना मफम मसिदा अखोइ पुंजलगा लैजबनी नुमि निनी हुमि सुरे हुजिकसु फमदना अदुम मायुक्तगी लाइबनी फमम जिगी फंगौरगा दि हाइदना अदुबु तानकपना लोइ कंजना दना फमबा फंगदरे अखोइ स्टेट बेंदर मपांदा फमी असिगी डस्टबिन मपागी असिदैदा अदुबु municipality lai sibai lai noi phamba yaroi haidana hai adubu akhoi ain gi matungi na phamba yaroi da akhoi phamja de adubu sumai sum nungti gi sum phamdraga di isa like tamada kai borakani wajai.
Now, in the latest achievements of Manipur Police Department, they have arrested self-styled president of United Kuki Liberation Army who carried a bounty of ₹1 lakh, including 3 cadres today. Addressing media persons at Manipur Police Headquarters today by DGP LM Khaute, said upon getting tip-off from a reliable source, a joint team of Senapati and Kangpokpi District Police around 1:30 am conducted cordon and search operation at Hotel Serena, Senapati and arrested them. The cadres arrested by the team led by SP Kangpokpi Haisnam Balram are identified as Thangkhoisei Guite alias James alias Seboy alias Max, son of Lamthang Guite from Bunglung village, Kangpokpi district. He is the president of UKLA. The rest are Seguilen Dongel alias Guigo alias Kenny Goy, son of Lamlang Dungel from Pulejang village in Saikol constituency, and Ling Kumang Kipken alias Maman, son of Thangkulon Kipken from Kaithil Manbi Ward number 6, Kangpokpi. The DJP said the arrested persons are not only involved in the kidnapping of Keystone Infrastructure Private Limited worker but also involved in many other money extortions incidents from businessmen and are said to related to the Naga undergrounds.
Last few months, the very trying and difficult time for us. Adu kari maram no hai kan dai koi election aduga adui mathakta highway blockade leiba matam du dasu and difficult law and order situation mayam du kayam thengnarega lakhi bane adu loy matung nei khoina khoi gi policing activities value or switching or su focus toga policing je khara effective oina chathasi haina kanna koi district SP sing IG range DIG zonal IG DIG sing unit tongan ton mamayam series of meetings perform toga guidelines piraga kamaina policing se improvement to yage in terms of crime investigation detection rate aduga preventive measures maintaining law and order crime control measures mayam se kamaina henga paya gidra haina si mayam se koina kok tha daraga meeting series of meetings to SP singa or senior officer singa adumai chatharaga lakhibani election hek loi khibadagi.
The answers of physics paper of the ongoing Class 12th Council of Higher Secondary School examination today was found in possession of the students even before the exams began today. The council seems to be unable to control and prevent the conduct of unfair means in the examination. Volunteers of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur seized photocopies of answers from students in the examination hall. General Secretary of DESAM Namarakpam Edison and other volunteers inspected 10 examination centers including Chandel and Churachandpur. DESAM claims to have seized photocopies of the answers an hour prior to the examination. Upon receiving the news, volunteers of DESAM inspected T.S. Paul Women's College and Kakching Higher Secondary School, where the photocopies of the answers were found with the students. They also found answer papers thrown out of the classroom windows. DESAM said the use of unfair means in the ongoing council examination is devaluing the significance of this exam and appealed the council to take up necessary actions against the officials who did not perform their duties in the right manner.
Exam haudungi pung kharagi mamangdagi question se hana mangjuruna phangaga hariba kanosidagi question je leak oire haibasi DESAM gi kanosing na khoi DESAM na khangmangami AOC sing amadi SO sing na section no watpadagi hariba kanosing da responsible person sing da masagi responsibility masak khangdaba amadi masagi integrity leina thabak toroktabadagi sigi sigumba question leak oibagi thawong se tholakpani haidana DESAM na fawi Kakching Higher Secondary School la chatliba council gi flying squad team sing gi mathakta Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur gi maikaidagi lokatpam thokpa chapchawa action lokatkadabari.
Now, District Health Society Kangpokpi observed the World TB Day today at the Conference Hall of Kangpokpi DC. The day was observed on the theme Unite to End TB, Leave No One Behind. It's time for us to take a very short break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. Now, Manipur State Power Company Limited has informed that 11 kV Wangoi feeder will be shut down from April 7th till 9th for stringing of 400 kV Rembam to Thoubal line. Now, the 10-day fire walking festival is currently on at Sri Angala Parmeshwari Sri Muneshwar Temple in More. This year, the festival, which is celebrated since 1967, began on March 3rd and will conclude on April 9th. Different communities living in More as well as many people from the neighboring country, Myanmar, are also participating in the celebration. President of Border Trade Chamber of Commerce, V. Shekhar, has invited the people of Manipur to participate in the festival, especially on the last day.
Every year da akoina puja ma tawi asikari puja haine di akoina maida chak podu akoina nimit tara 10 days gumba akoina loina fasting lairaga puja kanna tauraga last date da akoina maida chakpani asi maida chakbadu tamil khata chaktabani koi du kono bermi su challe maite su challe india ki kudi community hindu ba misina loina asi puja da fasting tawraga asi maida chakpani manipur da laiba akoi ki community mayam loina akoi tarik mapan da maida chakani adu nimit da loina invite topire loina yaupiro aira.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren said Assam has to lead the way for the development of the Northeast region. Addressing the concluding function of the Namami Brahmaputra in Guwahati yesterday, Biren said Assam is the leader of Northeast and the rest of the Northeast will support and follow it. He also lauded the Assam government for organizing the Namami Brahmaputra festival to showcase the potential of the mighty river at a global level. Biren invited his Assam counterpart to visit Manipur during the 10-day Sangai festival, the largest tourism festival in Manipur. Now some sports news. Indian Eves have lost twice in the 2017 AFC Women's Asia Cup qualification. The qualifier is organized by Asian Football Confederation in a Group B League match played today at Kim Sung Stadium in Pyongyang, North Korea. South Korea thrashed India by 10-0. Led by NG Bala and Lee Panthoy as the goalkeeper, the Indian team consists of a total 8 Manipuri players. South Korea scored 5 goals in the first half and another 5 in the second half. The Indian women's football team suffered a 0-8 thrashing at the hands of North Korea in their opening match of the AFC Asian Cup qualifiers on Monday. South Korea, Hong Kong, India, Uzbekistan and host North Korea are in Group B. India faces Uzbekistan next on the 7th of this month. The 16th Governors Trophy Cash Prize Tennis Tournament will kick off tomorrow at Officers Club Deco Turf, Lamphel-Pat under the aegis of Manipur Tennis Association. Players will compete in girls and boys singles for under 10, under 12 and under 14. Now, 5 Wushu players from Manipur have been selected to represent India in the 6th Paras Cup to be held in Semnan, Iran from April 14th till 17th. In a press release, Wushu Association of Manipur said these players will be trained at Sai Bhopal from April 5th to 12th. Now, the 10th Indian Premier League will begin today with the defending champions Sunrisers Hyderabad taking on Royal Challengers Bengaluru in the season opener of the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium in Hyderabad at 8 p.m. Australian all-rounder Shane Watson has been appointed interim captain of RCB after regular skipper Virat Kohli and his stand-in AB de Villiers were rendered unavailable due to injuries. Indian speedster Ishant Sharma, who was unsold at the IPL Players Auction, was picked by Kings 11 Punjab yesterday. The IPL matches this time will be played over the course of 47 days at 10 different venues. Before we end this bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Landslide destroys houses in Sirakhung in Ukhrul district. No report of human casualty. $150 hectares of paddy fields submerged under floodwater in Top Khabi and Thangtek. Cleanliness drive launched to keep Khairamban Bazaar neat and clean. Women vendor sees work demanding eviction of street vendors around the 3 Ima markets. And in one of the latest achievements, Manipur police arrests the president of United Khunki Liberation Army who carries a bounty of ₹1 lakh.